In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to add plugins from WordPress plugin repository, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. From here, you may automatically install plugins from the WordPress plugin directory, and this is its link. Here we have all the plugins. Let's select Recommended from top, and here you will get all the recommended plugins. Let's install the one you like by clicking on this Install Now button. Then activate it from this Activate button. Or you can select this installed plugins from left panel, and from here also you can activate that plugin. Now go to Add New tab and let's search for Form in the search bar. Here you will get all the related results for Form, and you can install the one you like from this Install Now button. So this is how you can add plugins from WordPress plugin repository. Thank you for watching.